Here, implements command executor, and I'm gonna try slowing down. Now we're gonna copy this into vote, right? So now we have a command for voting. So we're gonna go into the vote command here. So I have something to reference to vote. We're gonna simply check if the sender instance of player send message players only return true, like that. If args dot length is not equal to 1, chat util dot send message player p. I'm not gonna say when I do this anymore because I've done it 3 times already. I think it's enough. I'm gonna sort of copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The walls voting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. That's how you're supposed to do it. For the colors, I think we're just gonna do like that at E. The walls at E at L, I think. Then at 7, maybe? 6. Like that. So that's just made a fancy menu. Chat util dot send message p and vote slash vote ID. For now, we're gonna loop through all the maps that are vote maps. So get vote maps, and we're gonna do chat util. This is quite simple actually. Send message map dot get temp. Oh, I see. Map dot get temp ID plus map dot get map name plus vote dot get vote get vote. No, that doesn't work. Public static int get votes for the map plus votes. There we go. That's sort of how you want to do it. This just gets the temp ID, which is 1 to 6. This gets the name. This is just a change to get votes because I just call this vote. I'm gonna call this vote command. I don't need this. Go. And I'm gonna go into walls. That here. Get command vote. Set executor new vote command. Then here vote. We're not done though. So here we've done that. We just displayed the votes so far. We need to return true. Now we can do if vote handle vote dot has. Why not checked has voted? Did I not make that? Private static. It's public static. Why did I write private static there? I was in a hurry, probably. Get name. Turn true. P dot send message. Chat color. No, not p send message. Chat util dot. Send message p and you have already voted. Oh, that's send us a chance. Okay, good. Already voted. Now here we can do, since we're returning true, we don't need to do else statements. String uname is equal to p.get name. Int id is equal to integer dot parse int args 0 minus 1. Oh, sorry. Ugh. map. Why? Map. Map the get map by id. Vote dot vote p a map. That wasn't really, well, not p, is it? Name. Oh no, it is p. Clear map. You don't need this. Then here, it's quite nice to just voted for map plus map get name. Yeah, green. Okay, so I think we're gonna test the votes command. Oh no, we can't test the votes command. Okay, that's the votes command. Next we are gonna do the mimic a new arena. Okay, so actually we have time for that now. It's only 9 minutes. These episodes are just getting longer and longer anyway, so why not? We are gonna do. Yes, we are gonna make a new command, and it's gonna be called add arena. Okay, and it's gonna implement command executor as well. It's all the other commands. Like that. Now add map. Oh, add map. If Sender dot has per. I don't need that. If args dot length. Now we're gonna check if they argumented us with both file name and a name. So that's two args, right? So is not equal to 2. So if the args length is not 2, we're gonna send them a lovely message. Chat color dot red plus usage slash add arena file name and name. I have a to do on making this so you can do survival space games, but right now you can only do one string. It's called string builder, but I have no clue how to use a string builder. Return true. Now we do file configuration config is equal to settings manager settings.getInstance.get data config. What the hell? We're gonna do data.set arenas arenas dot plus args 0 plus dot name args 1. That's basically what we're gonna set. We could set play time and grace time. Grace time is 20 minutes, so I don't think we need that unless there's different, but no, we're not gonna need that. So we're just gonna do settings.getInstance.save data in the end here. We're gonna do map is equal to new map args 1 args 0. Sender dot send message map created plus map dot get name. But before on the vote command here, not that vote command, I think that I've forgotten to do something here. Yes, I've forgotten to check if votes, if the int is higher than 16 or 0. 16, 6 or 0. So if it's 0, if draw, just gonna do raw minus 1 there. So if raw is equal to 0 or raw is higher than 1.6, return true. Then chat util dot send message please choose a number between 1 and 6. There you go. So now we checked for that because that gave an error. So if you do slash vote 7, that should come up, else you would get an error. We don't want any weird stack traces in our console, so that's that checked. The other arena, yeah, we just made an arena now. And that's basically that command done. Now we're just gonna go into here and add arena permission walls.admin. Yep. And then we're gonna make another command and it's gonna called add, or should we get maybe should we do if label dot equals ignore case add arena. Then we can do everything in here. So this can be arena manager or arena commands. We can have edit arena and add spawn here. Okay, so If label equals ignore case, edit arena, then we are gonna do if args.length is not equal to 1, uh, p.send. Okay, before we do that, we are gonna check if sender instance of player, because to do this you need to move around. So instead of just throwing a stack trace, I like doing that. Not really like, but I know I have to do it. So now we can define the player here. Player P is equal to player sender. Send chat util send message usage / edit arena file name, because the name will later be something else. Turn true. Name could be multiple strings, and that'd be even harder to edit if you have to remember all that. Now, I just want it to be the same, so edit arena and add spawn. We can soon test this plugin out, like test all the changes we've done. I promise you, we are going to do this. I'm cutting this all in one night, so I can't promise you it works, but we coded a lot that doesn't work without the others. So we're coding everything now without testing in between, because everything we've coded until now depends on each other. So if you don't vote for a map, um, can't start because there's no map to start. But you can't vote without having maps to vote on. So that's what we're doing now. We're doing it completely upside down. So now we're adding arenas, but it's fine. It's fine. It's just building up the excitement around it, isn't it? Now we've chosen to do / edit arena file name. Now we're gonna be doing a world creator. VC is equal to new world creator args 0. That's gonna world v equal to VC.create world. That's just gonna import the world. In case it's probably not if you haven't reloaded. X is equal to bucket.get world. Now this is a little annoying. Uh, you need to get the spawn location here, which is quite annoying. But it works. If you end up coming into an empty world or some weird place, just open the map in single player and copy that map, and then you will get your spawn or do / spawn point. It shouldn't be a big deal. Now this is gonna set them to creative so they can edit stuff and fly around. And now we're gonna send them a message with chat util. Editing arena then plus args 0. We should probably check if the file name exists. Shit, that's very true. We should check if it exists. If map dot contains no. We're gonna check if file name is map. Public static void is map string file name turn or maps dot. How do I check for that? That's jeez. We need to check if a file name is a map. Okay, you know what? For map, oh, map, all maps. I'm never gonna do if maplog get file name equal to file name. Boolean. Gonna return true. I got the weird thing that I don't know why return false here. Gonna return false if you can't find anything, basically. Back to arena commands. Now we're again going over time. But you know, it's basically how it is. So if map dot is map args 0. Now we're gonna check if it's not a map. If it's not map, we're gonna do chat util dot send message. Gotta args 0 is not a map. Okay, so we're gonna return this, else it will just continue. So return that and return at the end. I don't think it's just return. Return true. So that I was checking for a lot of different stuff. So now we're checking if the map exists. Does not exist. Does not exist. Now I am prepared for issues. Any issue. We shouldn't need anything else than this for now. I'm gonna test next episode. We will do player spawns and saving arenas. So for now, we are gonna make sure everything's imported correctly, which is not. Get command, add arena, set execute, read command, arena commands, make sure that's in here. Add arena and edit arena permission walls.admin. Okay, export walls. Now we're gonna need what we can do, which is quite interesting, is run this now. Will probably tell us we have no arenas, right? Yes, no arenas. And then we go. No, Why did I go there? Go to the server. Do slash add arena. Tells us. It tells us we have to do add arena file name. So let's do arena 1. Arena. Now that should create a map. And let's see here if arena 1 was created. It shouldn't be created, but it's not. It should actually import it on the same when I think about it, but yeah, okay. Edit arena. Arena 1. Arena 1 does not exist. Arena 1. Why does not exist? Didn't I make a new map in arena? Map. Game file name. Is map. All maps that add this. That should happen. Now let's check if the config was. What's happened to the config? The data.yml. Now arenas is here. Like that. That should be it. Should we check the config instead? Check if there's a config in the map. Yeah, let's do that. In a map. For string s data get damn it walls data get configuration section arenas if s is equal to file name turn true. Get on here again. We want the let's find out. No, because yeah, okay. Dot get keys. Now it will return false. Uh, should we try that? Oh, okay. Let's see. Now, Arena 1 is imported. It says size is 1 here. Arena is 1 slash vote says Arena 1 slash vote 2 slash vote 1 that voted for Arena slash vote says 1 vote. If I do F start now, it should start up Arena. So slash edit Arena 1 And it tells me it does not exist. Why? I don't want to return here. Should get. Why is it not? Up is. Great, this is the perfect thing to have an overtime. If S data the get configuration arena. Come on, that should be returned. Okay, let's do this directly here. Um, for string s map.get maps if s map s get file name equal to case args 0 is map is equal to true, else is map is equal to false. I'll do it as simple as that. So now we're gonna do so this boolean is map false. Now we're gonna do if is map that. Should we try that? Let's try that. But as I said, the reload shouldn't take long this time. There we go. Edit map, edit arena. Yeah, there we go. And it set me in creative. Took some time. Exactly sure why. But now we spawned in. Look at that. We spawned in the world. As this time says I made a new map, and yes, it did generate a new world. But I can make it check if the world exists, if the folder exists. But for this purpose, I wanted to check if the map worked or not. So now I'm not sure. Can you? I don't think we did slash save arena. No, we're gonna do slash lobby now because we're in the arena. So as you can, slimes the heck to 0. See everything we've done. Anything else we've done? Then the voting and map creation. As you can see here, map it actually did generate. Oh. That's yeah, okay. It did import the arena. It actually generated the whole arena. This should take like that, and it's done. It shouldn't take all this. It generated a new world, remember? If it was generating a world already existing, I don't have one at the moment, but if it was, um, things would be very different. But yeah, thanks for watching. Now, if I've forgotten anything, because this was a long episode, 34 minutes, I can't even remember what I've done the last 3 tutorial, because I've done so many now. But yeah, thanks for watching. I will be back later this time, doing next part of coding a minigame. Thank you for watching. I will also fix this issue here, which I will show. Okay, bye bye.